Next, a black die, a red die and a green die are thrown at the same time. What is the probability that sum of three numbers that turn up is 15? This is a stupidity. Black, red, green. It's nothing like that. The question should be simple. It should be like this. Three dice are thrown at the same time. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers that turn up is 15? See this. In our earlier video we had seen this dice. So total of both the sides is always 7. Now what we do is we throw 3 dice like this. Okay. And the total on the top faces should be 15. So how can they be 15? Suppose if one gets, we'll consider one maximum case. One gets 6, other also gets 6. So the third one should get how much? Minimum how much? 6 plus 6, 12. And third one should get minimum 3, right? So in any case, if first two get 6, the third one gets 1, then the total can be 15. If the first two get 6, the third one gets 2, then also the total can be 15. So in any case, if the face has 1 or 2 number, the total can be 15, right? So required equals to total is 15 on the top faces. If there is 1 or 2 on any face, then total cannot be 15, right? So the required is what? What is the combination required? So we'll consider what combinations are possible. See here. First easiest combination is 555 on all, right? That is number 1. Second is what? See here. Let it be 3 on the first die. So the second and third will be 6, 6. Only then the 15 is possible. Now let's move this 3 one by one. So it will be 6, 3, 6 and 6, 6, 3. So this combination is gone. So 4 are there up till now. Now the first die can be 4 then. What happens then? 4, 6, 5. Okay. Or this 6 and 5 can interchange with each other. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now this 4 can move to the center. So what will happen? See this. It will be 6, 4, 5 means this combination. This one. Or 5, 4, 6 means this combination. Right. These two are possible. Now this 4 can move from center to the last one. So it will be 5, 6, 4. Or 654, right? So these are the only combinations possible where we can get total as 15 on the top. So how many are there? 10. So total required is 10. What is the total? Total means one outcome raised to how many trials are done, means how many dice are thrown. So 6 cube, 216. So probability equals to required upon total, that is 10 upon 216, 5 upon 108. That's it. Next, cards marked with numbers 13, 14, 15, blah 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 up to 60 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. One card is drawn at a random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the drawn card is number 1 divisible by 5,